Yeah, I just wanna tell you mine, yeah. Love you if you're famous. They only love you if you're famous.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed my new intro that I made, and I really hope you guys check out the artist of the song behind my intro. Of course, he will be linked down below. He's actually a good friend of mine. He's super sweet, super nice, so it would mean a lot if you go ahead and follow him on Instagram and his Spotify. I'm looking pretty shiny right now. I'm still trying to figure out the lighting in this new room, so a lot's been going on. This quarantine has been crazy, so I figured it is a good time to start putting out videos, having you guys something to watch during this insanity. It's not like there's anything better to do. I mean, I am an essential worker, so I still go to work. So I am really excited to say that this video will be part of a playlist of, it's a huge collaboration basically, where a bunch of other beauty YouTubers have gotten together and they are all doing this video in collaboration with a girl named Jasmine. So I will be doing a glam eyeshadow look with only using brown eyeshadows. Started noticing that for somebody who can't wear like bright crazy colors at work, you know, 5 days a week, I have a lot of colors that are not neutrals. So for someone who doesn't wear like crazy colors often, that is like what I have the most of. So, but I did find this palette that I actually have not used yet. It is the Ulta Rose Gold palette. So I figured I would try this one since this is a predominantly neutrals. Oop. There's the brush. I'm sorry, my roommate's playing music in the shower, but hopefully that's not too loud. But here's all the colors of this palette. So I highly encourage that you guys go ahead and check out all the rest of the videos done by all of the other lovely ladies. They will all be linked down below. So if you have the time, which I'm sure most of America does right now, go ahead and check them out. Alright, so I will be doing a quick speed through with this look if you guys would like to follow along. So this will be a shorter video, but I hope you guys enjoy. But here is the final look with my gold highlight. You already know, from IndiBeat Cosmetics now. I keep wanting to say Indie Beauty because that's what they were before. It is IndiBeat. So I am breaking out. Just please ignore that. Everything is going wrong right now. But this light, I realize, has been like kind of crappy throughout this whole video, and I'm sorry about that. I am hopefully going to have the lighting figured out for next video, so just bear with me on that. But here it is, my simple cut crease. I do use the highlighter from IndiBeat to do the cut crease. I just feel like it makes it so bright and sparkly and shimmery, and it is just my favorite look to use. And it gives me a reason to use the darker shades that are too dark for my very, very pale Casper-like complexion. But here it is, just a simple soft glam smoky eye using only brown eyeshadow colors and highlighter with a classic red lip that I thought would just complement it so well. And my face still looks shiny. I tried putting powder on it and it's just, everything about this video is just wrong. But here it is. I hope you guys were still able to enjoy this video. Please leave a like if you enjoyed watching it, please, and maybe consider subscribing if I can get my shit together. But I had a lot of fun doing this collab. I really like the look, and this was honestly my first time using this rose gold palette, and it was so soft. Like, the eyeshadows were very soft, they were easily buildable, really blendable, just really awesome. And I think I got this on sale for like $5, so this is a pretty solid deal. So I really can't complain. I know like Ulta Beauty eyeshadows can be kind of spotty, but this one is definitely one that's so far worth it, at least like using their brown matte colors. They do have a couple like shimmery colors up top that maybe I'll try using in another video. But please remember to go ahead and check out some of the other ladies who were part of this collaboration. It would mean a lot to me and them. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!